Pang-anim na hukom ng Israel si Tola, Judges 10:1-2. Hindi lahat ng bayani maingay. May mga lingkod ng Diyos na tahimik, pero matatag. Sabi ng Judges 10:1-2, KJV 16:11, "And after Abimelech there arose to defend Israel Tola, and he judged Israel 23 years." Dalawang verses lang. Walang dramatic battle. Walang giant na pinatay. Walang trumpet tulad ni Gideon. Pero may isang bagay, 23 years of faithfulness. Love si Gideon, may malaking kwento. May apoy mula sa langit. May 300 men. May trumpet at takot sa kaaway. Pero si Tola, parang tahimik na ilaw sa baryo. Hindi nakakasilaw, pero hindi rin namamatay. Hindi siya headline. Hindi siya viral. Hindi siya trending. Pero sa langit, nakarecord ang 23 taon ng katapatan. My friend, hindi lahat tinatawag para maging Gideon. May mga tinatawag ang Diyos para maging Tola. Hindi lahat spotlight. May iba steady light. Hindi lahat dramatic rescue. May iba daily consistency. Sometimes the greatest victory is not noise, it is stability. Sa panahon natin ngayon, maraming gustong maging famous. Pero konti ang gustong maging faithful. Tola teaches us, faithfulness is powerful even when unseen. Kahit walang palakpak, tuloy ang serbisyo. Stability is a ministry. 23 years, walang chaos. Ibig sabihin, may peace, may order. You don't need a dramatic testimony to matter. Minsan ang testimony mo ay, hindi ako sumuko. A good soldier is not always the loudest in battle, but the last one standing. 2 Timothy 2:3. Thou therefore endure hardness, as a good soldier of Jesus Christ. Baka hindi ka sikat sa church, baka hindi ka preacher, baka hindi ka viral sa reels, pero kung consistent ka sa prayer, consistent ka sa faith, consistent ka sa pag-ibig, you are a modern-day Tola, and heaven sees it. Hindi kailangang maging maingay para maging makapangyarihan. Be faithful, be steady, be God's quiet warrior. Resilience in God is the key for victory and a happy life. Please follow, share, and subscribe for more inspiring Bible study reels. Thanks and God bless you.